CookieSwirlC. Hello there, Cookie fans! We're going to be doing another DIY today! So one of my awesome Cookie fans, Linda, posted do Genie as a Barbie baby, and I think that is an excellent idea. Whee! Oh, look at how cute! So here we have a little Barbie baby. This is another double that I have, and I love that idea of making this into Genie. Hello! Oh, there we go! So if you guys watched in my previous video, you guys saw me make this Barbie baby into a little punk boy Barbie baby. And now we're gonna see what this Barbie baby would look like as Genie. So the first thing that I'm gonna wanna do is I'm gonna wanna sculpt this baby some hair. Genie has this bun that she has right on top here. So I'm gonna get out my air dry clay and I'm gonna use just a little pinch. We don't need too much since it's just a little baby hair. And I'm gonna take my little tiny pinch of hair and I'm gonna put it basically right on the very tippy top of her head. It's about right where Genie has it. And I'm just gonna use a little bit of some water and I'm just going to smooth out her hair and make it stick onto her head. There we go. So now the edges are nice and smooth. And now I'm just gonna go in with a toothpick and I'm just going to make the same little bun detail that you can see on top of Genie's head. So I'm just kind of gonna press it down a little bit and then just start making her hair. It's gonna look a little bit weird at first, but it will all work out perfectly as soon as we get the paint on. So there's one little piece and now we're just gonna create the little band right here and the little lines that are also on the little band holding her hair up. And now we'll just kind of do like a little twisty mark here so you can kind of see this little indent here. Just push in with my toothpick to get those lines and just create fine little baby hairs and press with my fingers. Oh, you guys, she's looking so adorable already. Well, I think she looks pretty good. So now we're just going to let her hair dry. Now while I'm waiting for her hair to dry, we can go in and paint some other features on her, like maybe make her lips a little bit more pink. They're looking just a tiny bit purple on the baby. So I'm just gonna use some acrylic paint and a toothpick for a paintbrush and just recolor her lips. There we go. That looks like a closer color. And I can go in and paint her eyes. Genie has these really pretty light purpley eyes. So I've got this color purple, but it's just not light enough. So we're gonna lighten it up with a little bit of white. So we'll just mix a custom color for her. So I got my purple, now a little tiny bit of white, just a little itty bitty bit. Ooh, and mix. I want to really lighten that color up. There we go. That's a really pretty light purple. And then I'm gonna take my toothpick and carefully recolor over her eyes. Ooh, she's looking cool. I've never seen this baby with purple color eyes. The last one I painted was for Punk Boy and he had brown eyes. So I just made his eyes just a little bit darker brown. But she's looking really cool with these light purple eyes. Now, of course, I just want to take my time because this is really delicate. Ooh. Now that her hair has had time to dry, now I'm just going to seal it in because if you guys remember, with my Punk Boy baby, the clay hair kind of came undone from his head. So I'm going to seal everything in with some Mod Podge. So this should hold everything down in case it tries to come loose. At least the edges will be sealed. There we go, let that dry. All right, her hair is now all dry. Now we're just gonna paint it. So I'm liking this aqua color for her. That seems like a pretty good match. So I'm just going to paint her head, and it may require several coats of paint. Now for the front part of her hair, Genie actually has bangs and she's got these really cool like little baby hairs kind of right here next to the side of her head. So I want to make sure I leave enough area that I can go in and do those details. So I've got my toothpick and I'm just going to add in those little baby hairs. Just a little bit coming down. There we go, just for a little extra detail. And now for her bangs. I'm just going to pull the paint down just a little bit further on her forehead. There we go. Oh, she's so cute. And once that first coat dries, I can go in and put a second coat of paint on her hair. Now we're gonna go in and paint on her eyebrows. So it looks like Genie's got slightly darker green eyebrows than the rest of her hair. So I'm just gonna take the color that I painted her hair, this gorgeous aqua color, put a little bit down, and I'm gonna mix it with a touch of this darker green. Just kind of darken that color up. There we go. And take my toothpick and just paint on with my toothpick. There we go, pretty good. Now her eyebrows are a little bit longer than how Genie's are because that's how they were on this baby. I'm just gonna leave them like that. But if you wanted, you can always make them a lot shorter, just like on here. Now we're gonna paint on the gold hairband on her head, just using some pure gold metallic acrylic paint. Now I'm just gonna go in right around that little band. and keep all of her hair tied up in this bun. Now, Genie's got these big, gorgeous gold hoopy earrings, but she's just a baby, so I'm not gonna put hoops on her, but I'm gonna give her little tiny studs on her ears. So teeny tiny little stud earring right there. Boop, boop. Now we're gonna start working on her outfit. So she's got this really pretty dark pink and light pink. So I'm gonna have to mix up my own colors to get the perfect color. So we're gonna work on her diaper color. So I'm gonna take hot pink mixed with a teeny tiny touch of red, just barely. Mix these colors together to kind of create like a strawberry color. Put it on my paintbrush, and I'm gonna add lots of water to my brush and then mix it into my paint so it's really watered down, super duper watered down. And now on her diaper, touch it onto the diaper and it should kind of like stain it with that coloring. I'm using more water than I'm using paint. Now with that color still mixed up, now I'm gonna paint a little tiny top on the baby. And once that dries, I'm gonna go in with a second coat. Now I'm gonna paint just a teeny tiny little amount of gold right on the very tippy top of the diaper. And I'm also going to give some gold trim detail to her top. Now the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with some of this shimmery pink nail polish. Now hopefully it doesn't make the diaper too stiff, but I'm gonna go in and I'm going to paint it with this color, and that way it kind of adds a little bit of a shimmer into it. Ooh, yeah, see, it's got like a shimmery color. That's just a little tiny touch of sparkle. And of course, I'm gonna paint this also on her top. Now the very last thing to do is go in with my ultra matte varnish to seal all of the paint. So everywhere she was painted with paint, I'm just going to color it, and this varnish helps protect the paint from scratches or from play wear, from everything. I just want to go in with some satin varnish, only on her eyes, because then it will add a little tiny shine to her eyes. They'll look a little bit shinier. There we go, we'll let everything dry. All right, now that the Genie baby is all done, let's check her out. So let's go on over to the crib. Wait a minute.
Oh no, where is she?
She's not inside of the crib.
She must be using magic.
Oh, there she is. Wait a minute, she's gone. Oh, there she is. She reappeared, but this time in Baby Punk Boy's crib. All right, let's take her out and take a closer look. Oh, she turned out perfectly. Oh, she's so cute. So I think I was able to capture a lot of Genie's details. So we've got her hair, she's got her gold earrings, we changed the color of her eyes and eyebrows and lip color and gave her a little outfit. She just looks absolutely so precious. So now we know what Genie would look like if she were a Barbie baby.
I'm a cute Barbie baby, and I'm still magical.
Oh, where did she go? Oh, she disappeared. Oh, there she is. She's crawling around.
Yeah, she just learned to crawl.
All right, I think it's time for her to go down for a nappy. Oh, there she is. She's back. Woo, her magic is very strong. All right, we'll have her lay down. There we go, and now she can get some sleep.
I'll rock her until she falls asleep. There you go.
All right, Cookie fans, I hope you enjoyed this DIY custom video. This was an absolutely awesome suggestion. Thank you again to my amazing Cookie fan who suggested this video. I also had the video of where I made a little punk boy as a baby as well. I will link that video below if you would like to see how I made him. Hey, she's supposed to be napping. Remember to create not only happiness, but art every day. You can paint anything you want. If you happen to create your own little Barbie babies as LOL, I would love to see pictures. Please either email them to me or do hashtag CookieSwirlC on Instagram. I would love to see your customs. And I've been loving your guys' art creations too. Look at this. It says, I drew an LOL doll. I love this, Bella. Awesome job. Look at this. It says CookieSwirlC and there's a big giant cookie. We have an LOL doll. We got a little gummy bear in the and look it. Looks like we've got Freddy in here too. Oh, whoa, look at this. It looks like we've got this big giant tub of vanilla ice cream. And look, there's a little dancing ice cream cone here. To CookieSwirlC. I watch your videos every day. I really love the ones with the giant LOL ball. And Zoe drew this amazing drawing. I love it. Thank you, Zoe. I hope you guys have the best day ever. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, Cookie fans. All right, who remembers, did I paint baby Genie's eyebrows purple, blue, pink, or green? Bye, Cookie fans!